Diffug of Boys Higher Secondary School Patua Klamalong ta Troxy Kep ang Deng, India Republic di Aliralon Pen Catalon Tun. Rongbong hang Patua Klamalong ta Ingdeng Troxy Kep India Republic di Aliralon Pen Catalon. Bukajan along STO Civil Dilip Terang Pensi Troxy Kep Aphong Republic di Catalon Alama Kang Thurpong. KARBI prime time along penili with Lurban Krupi non beer tang ton pen RJ KARBI ang long MP different CP along ta Arkoni pa inkora truck arni Diffug of Boys Higher Secondary School patua klamalong Troxy Kebang Deng India Republic di Aliralon pen Catalan duna birta perangke pen katni so sahem along birta nang pali Ada bapor karlita nga tumaphan ka chikimo padopon si jamek pangcheng ponlo aphitu KARBI ang long Tonamas Council CEM tuluram rong hang pen date pelama pangjar ponlo aphitu non ki khibo ma sarkar tumpen ason ka chingthuramo kedeng ponji lapen kedeng pontang hai hui ka chatong na ratang no lam theke jay pado
amar jahar pade tanje DSP ka kala salja chalo je kala amar jehad namar ujjol kara digon dia পরীক্ষা গ্রহণ করিলে সে কলা আমার অভিনন্দন জানাবো আমার জেলা দুখন জাতি বন্ধ ভাষা ধর্ম নির্বিশেষ সকল লগত লৈ গণতন্ত্ৰ দিৱস সেই পূৰ্বতখনত পুনৰবাৰ শুভেচ্ছা আৰু শ্ৰদ্ধা জনালো আত্মীয় ৰাইজসকল ৰাইজৰ লগত শান্তি বুজাই ৰাখিবৰ কাৰণে ৰাইজৰ লগত ডেভেলপ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সকলো ৰাইজৰ মই আপোনালোকক আহ্বান জনালো আৰু আপোনালোকক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যে কাৰ্বিআং আমি শান্তি বজাই ৰাখিব লাগিব কাৰ্বিআং পৰিৱৰ্তন কৰিব লাগিব তাকে কয় সকলোলৈ আজি আমাৰ 70 সংখ্যক গণৰাজ্য দিৱস আহা সকলো ৰাইজৰ পুনৰবাৰ সাদম নমস্কাৰ যুথা
Contingent, Assam Police AB, led by their Swiss NCC contingent, Don Bosco High Secondary School, led by their platoon commander and their officers, Darlong Timo. Academy, led by their platoon commander, Deepa Thappa.
Kardom nili ahok lo alangli puta nili men Dilip Kathar nili KARBI Traditional Music Culture and Research Institute Art and Culture KARBI Autonomous Council along nili principal lo ahok lo nitum ningarong piglo aprang pen langdam lo putang te ladak penang school nang chitong don la pen culture troupe nang chitong don ke cheng alom ke la pusona culture troupe ki ong theklong le non ke ladak kado kove cricket home kripli a culture troupe do KARBI dimasa boro pencenglok tiwa maratun pencenglok penang atak nang chapati dumdo anparta non pining Troxy Kep ang deng anabang keladak la go boys school of feel along school tame dopiglo aprang ke penang school on se do chot non bang ke NCC tame ladak dopon lo go boys school on NCC do lo DAV school on do lo la pen golf college along na do lo
prega cultural tropes tame nang chitong dun dopig la sinon alang litum mes tame litum ethetini ar jupon sena so how do you feel when you come to attend here?
It feels great.
It's been great, right? So how many members are you coming here to perform your cultural troupe?
Three
of them, yeah? Thank you so much. Lasinon het jong ilitum makapreka cultural troupe pensami ilitum arjupon long lo alang tintum dagwang pensami aning karong pik an lo pineng ke armus tami ong chat pusilitum inut bangni pen arjupon long lo lasi alang litum tami dang na perform dun long ke kopai ke melu pusipu lasi KARBI ang long district administration manda ilitum chorobek nang alang litum patir pi pon pen pini dak pinan school dak dipuang kang long school pinan nang pachitong long pen pinana muni tum se melang tum dak kethek ason chipaklang long kili tum churowek nangji nasi son dak taxi li tum long dopek la li tum klim sumartum dak KARBI klim sumartum se melang li tum ko pitong nang chipati dunia lang li tum se arjupon sena kana namen puloko
uttam miling nemen
nang ko pilo dak nang kanun jike
adake KARBI dance dolo mane sob dance mixer lo
nang konar school ben loko
Erudite Academy School
Erudite School ben di okay nang men ko pulo Klar miring tipi which class do you read?
I read in class 4.
So how do you feel when you come to attend here?
I feel very nice and I feel proud of myself.
Okay, thank you so much. Nangge, nangmen pulo.
Nimelin terangpi.
Nirmilin terang PD. Tangki nang kupilo dak kevang kupilo nang perform jike.
Dance.
Dance, pia dance lo.
Mix.
Mix. That means Karbi traditional dance that dulu hedi. Okay. Okay guys. Yeah. Happy Republic Day.
Thank you.
Next we have from Bodo Cultural School, led by their two.
West KARBI Anglong District a MP Hamren along ta Arkoni pha inkora trok arni ingdeng trok sikep India Republic Day Hamren rong bong rong hang patok klam along alira lon pen ka talang dona birta kat news pherang ki hundor kro Hamren pen birta nak pale Ada porphai sirkep apor pen Deputy Commissioner Sheikh Isfagur Rahman pen ka chikimo ke baldo pensi jamek pangchen ponlo la so phialang li pen joksi diet alama sitame pangjar ponthu Diet alama ke pangjara phinon ke dobo masor karpen asam along riarlo ason ka chingthur amo ke deng pon lapen ki pachun pon tang alama hu ranang no ke jai pado ponthu aphi a school tin pen ka chitong don ke charli au sumara tum pen march pass ka chipate pado pon march pass ka chipate along ke cheng se no e Jerso English High School adun thu anong e Hamren Girls High School boys group pen ke thomonong e Don Bosco School Hamren tum si chepalong pon ka chitong dun alhi sarpa tum pen ke jor kilana hem hai hui kang pu pado ponthu Ada porphai ke dach tin apor malom pen friend jama khaya tumpen jutang ke kan hiu paklan bon se Indian toxic ke India Republic ke adera lampen tu jutang ke kan along KARBI garo hajong mizo gorkha asamis khazra pen bolo tuma ke kan ke paklan pon theklo Date pialong Arkoni phaing kora truck arni truck sikeba phong India Republic Day Catalan pon ason se bukajana long ta CCI pathua klamalong Catalan dun mesen pen ki pachun pon birta pherang ananterang bokajan pen birta na pali Ada porphainer kebra minute pri kebra pho porpen SU civil dilip terang ACS Catalan klamalong pali si karlitanga tuma phanchi ki mopon adun thu porphai sirkeba porpen dit pelama ingthur ponlo lasopi march pass kedam jia tumpen kiklang chipachini ponde rapi lamjai ponlo Assam government pen kiklen kedam ason ga chingthuramo ralatum varsai kilong lapen non gi klem bom asa hai hui alam rat angno lam than pa jermi ponlo lasopi CRPF second ASRF Assam police pen school house sumara tumpen march pass kedam paklang pon
CRPF kajan dole mukho titi ko hipadan jonwa dekha koise Now is contingent number 2, 2nd Battalion ASRF Karagao. PC Rabi Chandra Rabha is leading the contingent.
Aphijong KARBI Assamese Manipuri Gorkha Shyam Kuki Boru lapen Bengali akhaya tumpen methanga pinleng support pen methanga chutang rekan paklang ponlo bangso mayalong ie madhurja dhekel phukon SDPO Ward Commissioner ke duan lapen prekjam man ke duatum chitong du lasopi bogojan CHC Hospital along ke damsi ke soga chilang bomatuma phat ke cho hormu thisari bajarda arnitili hinia pormalom pet STO civil 11 laben SDPO 11 atup angbong friendly cricket match patu ponsi mesen pen pachun ponlo namalam so por phan bir ta moing to poniksena
In continuation of this office notification number ADSDE 213/2013 to 2014-48 dat 12/9/2018. It is for information to all concerned that the office of the Additional Director of Sericulture Diffu Karbi Anglong will hold interview YY voice for the post of grade 4 Chokidar under the Department of Sericulture as per program given below. Note: the ADA will be provided by the department. The candidate should bring all their documents in original on the day of the interview. No separate call letter will be issued for interview YY voice for the post of Chokidar.
First time at DIFU, First International Trade Fair 2019 from 18 January to 30 January at DIFU Club. A huge branded and collection of handicrafts from different states of India such as Delhi, Kashmir, Ludhiana, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Punjab, etc. A beautiful melamine kitchen items of Bangladesh are available here. You will get all the needful and householding accessories including food items here. There is no any fee required for entry. Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please step in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 600-1863-460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alam, Theso alam, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihenamo piputar biar talong wang tulo. Difu mentila dong rong marjong along arkoni pha ingkorap pho arni rong si swarlo tum thurpak pen kachilenga towar kasalam pona birta perangke pen katni sosa hemalong birta nang pali. Difu rong sipi adung ke do rong marjong arong piningan ke ningkan thom kebra hinian pleng tanglo. Sitami sorkar pen rong ratum kachileng aphan sung de jipu pini arnian ta kema thapona velang. Kacileng atau warga heno parpe gajau kaningkan wang tabar la por huda sonke rong orat atum kacileng aphan kisung cecak nang ritilo lasi lahai kadu kawa kisung alam matha dampen rong si tangka cilung si kacileng atau warga selama saiki klem pon abir da riptun long Bukojan STO Sibela Sahem atheng no along arkoni pha inkore pli arni Bukojan BCC lapen nilip BCC atumpen Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 apothaki kham kya saikideng Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 aputake kham kya sai kedeng Bukojan BCC lapen nili BCC to pen patirupi ponsi Bukojan STO Sibela hesa hema thengno alo sit in demonstration asai ke padopona birta ripdun long birta bangkila pans kang ton poniklo dombi thakmi korong thu